Today is Saturday, and Nurse Jamie's working with Francis today, so we are lucky enough to get out as a couple. And now we are headed out to go paddleboarding. I think the last time we went out together as a couple was, must have been in June this year. June to July to August, September. Yeah, so about 3 months. That's not too bad. But we have always enjoyed paddleboarding, and it's just been a pastime that Ryan and I have just loved. It's gonna be a really, really nice experience today, and just being out in nature and being together and just taking a break from being a caregiver. It's a huge, tremendous blessing. You ready for some paddleboarding?
Yeah. Are you?
I am. Let's hit it.
Yeah.
My favorite thing about this day is that I had a dragonfly land on the tip of my board, which was awesome. I love it when they do that.